to do something. 1, 2, 3, rock!
Hey Justin, what are we making today? Show me the box.
Soap emojis.
Soap emojis? Okay, let's get started.
Emoji back. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Molds.
Put the soap in there? I feel like this one and that. I think I like this one better.
It says put the soap base into 1-inch squares and place them in the microwave. So those are the soap bases. You want to open them up?
It's going to take really hard work. Okay, not really. Oh my gosh, I was already thinking of that. The cup?
Yep.
You have to melt them.
Yes. Perfect. Now we're going to go melt them.
How would yours?
30 seconds.
3.
Hit the 3.
3.
Yep, right here. And then the 0.
0.
We're making soap, Tommy. Come make soap with us? Making emoji soaps. Now you're going to start a little bit after we heated it because there's still a little chunk in there. Unicorn?
Yeah. And the poop emoji.
Okay. Unicorn?
And poop emoji.
Poop emoji? I think we might be able to do all 4 actually.
Mom,
Look at all of them.
yes.
The wink
The heart.
and the heart. And we actually might have some left over to do more later. Is it good? Yeah, so
Oh, it's kind of brown. Look, it's getting it. Let's put some in and 2 drops.
okay, 2 drops. You want to make the heart with the red? Okay. 1. Did you get it? Gotta squeeze it.
1,
Perfect.
2. Mama.
Go ahead.
That looks like pink.
Start. Oh, look, it's already starting to dry, huh?
Let's see.
Oh, see, Tommy? Look.
We make purple, so we'll make purple. Mom, this is actually pink and blue. This one more.
Oh, pretty that came out. That's a really nice purple. I like it. Tommy, you trying to help? You want to put the glitter in? Yeah, we will put the glitter in.
I want to see what yellow is. Mom, green. Yeah. Perfect.
Good. Oh, those are pretty colors. That's okay.
It's easy to clean off.
Okay, what are you adding now?
Glitter.
Glitter? Okay. And add the glitter. Want to stir it in?
Yes. Let's do this. A little more.
Okay, go ahead, a little more. What do you think?
Perfect.
It's perfect? Last one. So yeah, the last one's a little, it's starting to dry, so it's a little tougher, right? To stir?
So,
We'll see how that comes out. Because we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes.
oh my gosh, I think we have to start over.
Oh no. That one dried up a little
Let's
bit.
start over.
It's time to eat.
Wow. Wow.
All done. So we waited our 30 minutes. You want to flip them over and push them out? Press on the back. Good.
know what would be so satisfying?
Like the yellow one? Okay.
2 out.
Cool.
The green one is not the tomato.
Look how adorable they came out, Justin. Look how cute. Flip it over. Let's see the face. Oh, that's the poop. Right. Which one is that?
Poop. Yucky.
Yucky. Very nice. They came out really cute. How'd the green one come out? That dried up. Get a wink. Let's flip that one over.
I guess this is gonna be horrible.
Yeah, that one.
Horrible.
Let's see it. Oh yeah, that one, because that one dried before we mixed the glitter in. So next, if it starts to dry, I think the best thing to do is just leave it alone. Okay, let's see all these cute little faces. Oh. Look at this package. With all the emojis faces on it. There you go. Look how cute they came out, Jay. They're so cute. And there's actually still enough for one more if you wanted to reheat it and make another one.
You know emoji ones? Oh wait, what does that look? From here.
Really?
That one's the... Let me see.
That's the kiss one.
Kiss, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, the cry.
Which one's this?
It's the heart.
The heart? Pull the other string. There you go. Let's see which one this is. This is the heart.
Yes, the heart.
Does it have any shiny, shimmery stuff in it?
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, that is adorable.
It's on the back. This is probably the favorite one.
You see the sparklies in there?
This one. The heart. That's probably my favorite one.
Is that your favorite one?
We have the purple one. The poop. Yuck.
Yuck.
Finally, the poop yucky.
Let's see. Hold it up so I can see it.
My favorite's the purple with the blink.
You like the one emoji?
Look, now it's turning wood around. Ah! Guys, look. It's shiny.
It is shiny.
Aside from the blink.
Which soap are you going to use first?
This one. The poop emoji.
The poop emoji? How is it? Nice and
Perfect.
It's perfect. It looks nice and sudsy. Does it smell really good?
Oh, perfect. You guys
What do you
smell.
think, Tommy?
You guys smell.
Hey, Tommy, what do you think?
Ah,
No?
ah,
Okay.
It's so cold. It's so cold. This is slippery. Oh my god.
Tommy, you want one? Yeah? You want a soap? Here.
I need something really cool.
Here's a soap. Let me see. Soap.
So,
It's hard. Yeah. Sudsy.
So, now we want to
Yeah,
I'm
they are
going to
very
water,
slippery.
guys. Let's go. Thanks guys for watching this video. Bye! Oh, I forgot to say subscribe. Like and subscribe and hit this bell. Bye! Peace.